In this tutorial, I'll show you how to model, texture and render an abstract scene in 3 minutes. Let's add a subsurf modifier to the default cube by pressing Ctrl+3. We need to add a cast modifier to make it more spherical. Let's add a decimate modifier set to planar with 20 degrees in angle limit. We need to add a wireframe modifier with a thickness of 0.1. Let's add another subsurf modifier and smooth the mesh. Please create a plane and scale it 35 times by pressing S and 35. Let's add a shiny plastic material. I'm using a LookDev HDRI image file, but you can use any other HDRI images. I'll lower the strength to 0.5. Let's add a material for the ground mesh as well. Let's duplicate this mesh and scale it down. We need to use a separate material and make it red. Let's add a new light. With the light selected, press Ctrl numpad 0 to look through the light. Use Shift to navigate on the viewport using the mouse and WASD keys. Please select the camera and press Ctrl numpad 0 to regain the control of numpad 0 look. Let's set up the render camera by using Shift once again. Let's do the rest of the usual render setup with the cycles renderer, filmic, curves, denoise and 128 samples. This is the end of the abstract scene tutorial. Please like and subscribe if you have enjoyed watching this tutorial. Thank you for watching.